Hello everyone and welcome to Engineering Online. If you want to control your home appliances with voice signals, then this video is going to be quite helpful for you. In this video, I would be controlling an AC lamp and a DC fan with Android application through voice commands. This video is divided into following sections. First of all, I will design the circuit and protein schematic capture, and then I will write the code on Arduino IDE. Then I will develop the Android application on MIT App Inventor website. And then the application would be installed in Android phone for the final testing. If you want to see the interfacing of Arduino with different electronics modules, its simulation on different simulators and some amazing electronic projects, then you should subscribe to the Engineering Online and get benefit from the various other tutorials. To do the task, you need a PC in which Arduino IDE is installed and Proteus 8 Professional is installed already. Next, you need an internet connection because you would be developing the mobile application online. And last but not the least, you need a mobile phone to test the application. So if you want to know how to install Arduino IDE and Proteus simulator, I have already explained it in detail in separate videos. Link of those videos are mentioned in the description box so you can check out from there. So since these applications are Bluetooth controlled, so you need a Bluetooth module in the circuit. So in Proteus simulator, its library is not present by default. So we have to download it from the engineering projects website. So download the Bluetooth module library from this website. I will add the link of the website in the description too. Once the library is downloaded, extract the folder from the zip file. You will find these two files in the folder with .idx and .lib extension. Copy both of them and go to the main Windows folder of your PC and open Program Files 86. Find the Lab Center Electronics folder and then Proteus 8 Professional. Open the library folder and paste these two files here. Now moving on, first of all, let's design the circuit on Proteus 8 Professional. Open Proteus software and click on the P tag to add components. First of all, add Arduino Uno. Then write Bluetooth in the search bar and add HC05 module. Now search for the relay. Then add an NPN transistor. Then diode. And then resistor. In the end, add an AC voltage source. An AC lamp. And DC motor as a model for the fan. So the required components have been added. It's time for wiring. Connect the transmitter pin of Arduino with the receiver pin of HC05. And connect the receiver pin of Arduino with the transmitter pin of HC05. After that, connect a resistor of 1K with the pin number 6 of Arduino. And then attach a transistor with the resistor. And ground its emitter pin and connect a relay at its collector pin. Then add a diode in parallel with the coil. Now I am adding an AC lamp whose one end would be connected to the normally open pin of relay and other end would be connected to the AC voltage source. Now other end of the AC voltage source is connected with the common pin of relay. Now do the same connections for the DC fan also. I have added 2 appliances in the circuit. You can control as many appliances you want, and for every appliance you need a relay module. So in the end, power up the relay module with the 12 volt supply. So connections have been completed. It's time to write the code on Arduino IDE. Before moving ahead, do one thing. Turn on the Bluetooth connection of your PC and open its settings and check the COM port of the Bluetooth connection. Now go back to the circuit and make sure that the same port is selected in the Bluetooth module. In the coding, initialize the variable string with the name voice. In the setup, initialize the serial communication with the baud rate 9600. Mode of the pin number 5 and pin number 6 are set as output. In the loop function, read the data from the serial transmission. If there is data available, then print that text on the serial monitor. Now check the following conditions. If the voice command is turned on light, then state of the pin 6 is set as high. And if the voice command is turned off light, then state of pin 6 is set as low. So in the same way, all other conditions are checked, and in the end the voice variable is emptied. Now compile your code and remove syntax errors if there are any. Expand the output tab and copy the hex file location. Go back to the Proteus and paste the location on Arduino board. Now it's time to develop the Android application online on MIT App Inventor 2 website. I will add the link of this website in the description box so you can check out from there. If you are new on this website, then first you have to sign up with your email and then start a new project. Now this is the screen of the mobile app. First of all, let's do some modifications with the screen, like changing its alignment and title, etc. Then I am adding an image from the user interface and changing its height and width accordingly. Make sure that you have already uploaded the image you want to add in the screen. Next, I am adding a list picker and doing some necessary changes like its color, font, alignment, etc. Then I am adding a horizontal arrangement block from the layouts tab and then adding a button in it. Now edit both of them as per your choice and requirements. This button has an image of microphone and it would be pressed to input the voice commands. Next, I am adding a label with it. This label would display whatever command has been given. Then add another label down the horizontal arrangement block and also modify its look. This label would only be visible when the Bluetooth connection has been established. Next, I am adding another image of the channel logo and setting its dimensions. I am adding another button here for the disconnect option. After setting the display of the application, I am adding Bluetooth client from the connectivity tab and speech recognizer from the media tab. Now let's move towards the block section. So first of all, I am adding the block for list picker. Before picking, it will show Bluetooth address of all the available connections. Next block is after picking. Add an if then condition here. So if the Bluetooth is connected, then label 2 would become visible and button 2, that is disconnect, would also become visible. Next, I am adding a condition here. What would happen if the button 2 is pressed? The Bluetooth would be disconnected and both label 2 and button would also become invisible. So if the button 1 is pressed, the speech recognizer would ask for the voice commands and convert it into text. So before getting text, label 1 text would be empty, and after getting text, the label 1 would display the voice command in the form of text, and the same text is transmitted via Bluetooth connection. So the app design and coding is completed. Now click on the build and generate QR code for .apk. Now open your phone and install this app MIT AI2 Companion from the Play Store. Scan this code. After scanning, it will prompt you to download the application and then install it. It's time to test the application. Open this application and play the simulation button in the Proteus software and enjoy the results. Turn on light. Turn on fan. Turn off all. Turn on all. Now you can implement the same circuit on your hardware also, and you would be able to control your home appliances with your mobile application. Isn't it quite amazing? So I hope so that this video must have been beneficial for you. Must give it a try and give me your feedback in the comment section. If the video has been useful for you, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellows too. You can also give your suggestions about what kind of tutorials you want us to upload. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Instagram. Links are provided in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time with the new tutorial.